fig trees here in Fruits of Desire, and this is actually an LSU Gold. These figs get to be pretty large, slightly larger than a golf ball, and they produce the figs in early to mid-July. Sometimes they'll start being produced in late June. Now when you see the figs, it's really important not to pick them when you first see them, but when the fig starts to sag on the stem, then it's ready to pick. If you pick it too early, they will not ripen once picked. So you want to let them kind of sag a little bit. They'll fill up with sugars and they'll taste delicious. You have to be careful though, because the birds also know when they're ripe, and the birds will often come out and peck holes in them. So if the birds get to them first, that's too bad. But look for our figs. We have the LSU Gold, and then most of the other ones in our gardens are Celeste. The Celeste figs are slightly smaller. They're a little bit of a reddish color, reddish gold, and they grow throughout our gardens here.